Hello friends, today in this video I will show you how to fix error code 43 USB device not recognized. So click on start, type device manager, open device manager. Now expand universal serial bus controllers and right click on generic USB hub, then update driver, select browse my computer, then select let me pick from a list, select it and next. Now close it and restart. And after restart still you are facing, so right click and uninstall this device. And once you restart your PC or laptop, auto detect this driver and this problem will be fixed. Now close and click on restart. After restart and type cmd, right click on command prompt and run as administrator. Now type here sfc slash scan now. So type similar this command sfc space slash scan now, then press enter. Now guys, it will take some time, so complete this procedure and after restart your PC. So hopefully guys, using these simple and easy steps we can resolve and we can fix USB device not recognized error. Thanks for watching. Please comment this method work for you or not.